Hello and welcome to All Tastes German. In this video I will show you one of the most famous German desserts, named Bavarian cream. The recipe for Bavarian cream is 100 years old and was created as an indulging treat for the Bavarian royalty, but it is very easy to make. Let me show you how you can spoil your family and friends with this royal dessert. Add a quarter of cold milk to a small bowl and sprinkle the gelatin on top. Beat the heavy whipping cream and place into the fridge. Heat the rest of the milk and add to the gelatin. Stir well until the gelatin is completely dissolved and then set aside to cool. Add the powdered sugar, the egg yolks and the vanilla extract to the bowl and beat until thick and fluffy. As I like to have as little dirty dishes as possible, I just used the same bowl I used a minute ago. Add the milk mixture to the bowl and beat for about 3 minutes on high. Now you are ready to fold in the heavy whipping cream. Pour into decorative glasses or just leave it in the bowl. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Serve with raspberry or strawberry sauce, fresh berries and whipping cream. Guten Appetit!